Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. So to unpair our watch we need to open the GARMIN Jr application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app we need to select the profile that is connected to our watch, then tap on settings. Here we need to find the option called pairing and tap on it, and then tap on unpair this device, tap on unpair. And then we can also go to the settings on our iPhone, Bluetooth, and if the Bounce 2 is right here on the list of my devices, tap on info icon next to it, tap on forget device, and tap on forget device. And then we can close the settings, and that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.